I know you guys have all these questions and more, and how you apply it. If you ever have a torn stamper, keep it. It's perfect for powders. Next, you're gonna need a sticky base coat. This is a little bit of a more foolproof way to do this. Then you're gonna apply 1 coat of your sticky base coat. We're gonna let our sticky base dry. Not recommended for this type of technique because nail foil glue leaves brush strokes. Because the formula is thicker, it actually has a tendency to like leave the brush mark. So we don't want that look. Let's check our purple base. Is it ready to stamp? Oh yes, it is. It's like a frosted light purple. I wish you guys could see it in person. It is so pretty.